Speaker.
Welcome to Tinkly's YouTube channel. Mr. Zudo welcomes you to Tinkly's TV. Hi, I'm Barbie. I'm back again. Hope everyone is fine. Today I'm going to show you something interesting. I hope you will like that. First, we will play some game. Okay, let's play hide and show game. In this, whenever I click on this cat sprite, my score increases. See? Uh-oh. Oh, see, my score increases. When I click on the other sprite, my score remains same. See? Ooh. Now again. See, my score increases. Again. Ooh. So we are going to create this game. And now I want you to like Judo Bandar, Mast Kalander. Okay, let's see Jaggu Bandar Mast Kalander. This is an animated project in which monkeys are dancing with music. See? Yeah, monkeys are dancing with music. So we are going to create these two projects. So our journey starts. So this is a roadmap of our journey. First, we are going to learn about the hide and show concept in Scratch. Then we are going to create hide and show game. Then we are going to learn about costumes in Scratch, like how to create our costumes, how to add costumes, what do you mean by costumes. And the last is Jaggu Bandar Mast Kalandar art project. Let's start. So our first stop is hide and show concept. I hope you all know how to play hide and seek. Whenever my cousins come to my home or I went to my cousin's home, then we love to play hide and seek game. One of us closes his or her eyes for a few seconds. During that time, other players hide. The seeker then opens his eyes and try to find hiders. The first found is the next seeker and the last is the winner of the round. So our second stop is hide and show game. Let's create our hide and show game. So this is my Scratch platform. I will just click here on create. Now we will create a project that is hide and show. Okay, so first of all, let's see what is hide and what is show. So on your left hand side, we can see the loop block. So here we will drag, show and hide. Okay, whenever I click on this hide, my sprite hides. And whenever I click this show, my sprite is visible to me. Isn't it amazing? See, when I click on this hide, my sprite hides. When I click this show, then my sprite is visible to you. Now, we are going to create a project on this hide and show. First of all, let's add some sprites. Okay, I like fishes, so I will add the fish sprite. So let's take the starfish. I want one more sprite. So I will take fish because fish is my favorite sprite. So I will take this time puffer fish. Okay, now what I want my sprite to hide and show. Okay, so first of all, let's add some background. We can add any background, which whatever we like. So I like this race. So I will add this race background. Okay, now what I want my sprite to hide, then I want my sprite to show. So I will just click on this event block. So as we know, whenever we click on this green flag, then only our project will start. Okay, so what we want this command, that is whenever I place this green flag, then my program will start. Okay, so I will just press this, just drag this when green flag clicked from the event block. On your left hand side, you can see event. This yellow color circle is visible. Then we just click on this circle and we will drag this command, that is when green flag clicked. Now we want our sprite to go to random position and then hide. Then again it is visible to us. Okay, so we will just go to this control and drag this forever block because we want our sprite to move continuously on the stage randomly. Okay, so we will just drag forever block from the control. Now we want our sprite to go to random position. So we will just click on this motion block, this blue block, first one. I will just click here and I will drag this command, that is go to random position. Okay, whenever I click this green flag, see my sprite is going randomly anywhere. Okay, now I will just stop this. And now what I want my sprite to hide. So I will just click on this looks block and drag my hide command. Okay, now I want it to wait for a second. So I will just click on this control block. You can see here the orange circle, this control. I will just click here and I will drag this wait for a second. Now again, I want my sprite to show. So I will just go to look block, this purple block. I will just click here and I will drag this show. And what I want for 1 second my sprite visible. So I will just click again. I will just click on this control block and drag, wait for a second. Let's see what happens. Ooh, see, our sprite is hiding, then it is visible. My sprite hides and then visible. See? So now I want the same code for this pufferfish and starfish. So I will just click on this backpack. Now what is backpack? So backpack is similar to the bags that we use. We store our code here. Like we want the same code for the starfish as well as for the pufferfish. So I will just drag this to my backpack. Now it's visible in our backpack. Okay. Now I will just click on the starfish and I will drag this code here. Now let's press green flag and see. See, my starfish is also hiding and showing. Ooh, wow. Now I want my puffer ship to do same thing. So I will just click on this puffer fish and I will drag this command. Now let's see whether it works or not. Let's press green flag and check. Wow, it's working. All the three sprites are hiding and then show. Hide and then show. And they are going to their random position. Isn't it amazing? Now what I want whenever I click on this sprite, this cat sprite, then here the score will appear. Okay, and it will increase every time. So let's click on this variable. On your left hand side, you can see this brown variables. I will just click here and make a variable. I will just click here on make a variable and I will create one variable as score. And I will press OK. Okay, see here the score is visible. Now what I want, whenever I click on this sprite, then my score should increase. Okay, so I will just click on this event block. On your left hand side, you can see this orange circle with events. I will just click here and I will just drag this command when the sprite clicked. Whenever this sprite should click, this cat sprite, then my score should increase. So I will click on this variables and I will drag this, change my variable by 1 and I will just select my variable, that is score. So whenever I click on this cat sprite, my score should increase. Let's check. Where is my cat? See, my score increases. See? Yay! Where is my cat? Yes. See? So whenever I click on this sprite, my score increases. So now I want to add some sound. Now the sound is visible, that this sound with this purple sign. I will just click here on the sound block and I will drag start sound. We can select any sound we want. When I click on the sound, we can just click on this sound and we can select any sound we like. So I like to select this sound. So I will just go to code again and I will click in here and I will select this goose sound. Okay, let's check. Where is my cat? Oh, where's my cat? See, my score also increases and the sound is also coming. See. Oh, where is my cat? Oh. Now what I want my cat to say something. So I will just click here on looks and I will drag this command and I want my sprite to say, oh. Now let's see. Where's my cat? Oh. Where's my cat? So see, every time I click on this cat sprite, my score increases. And see, like 14. So, but the problem is that it is 14, right? Whenever I press green flag, the score should be 0. So what should we do? We will just click on this variables and drag this command, that is set variable, that is score to 0. Now let's see. See, 0 come. Here is the 0. Now I want to click on this cat sprite. Oh, where is my cat? Oh. Oh, 1, 2. See, every time I click on this cat sprite, my score increases. I missed. 4. See. Now what I want, when I click on these sprites, like this pufferfish and starfish, then my sprite should say something. And the sound will also, we should add a sound in it also. Now let's click on this event block. This orange one, events. I click here and I will just drag when this sprite clicked, the starfish. Then I want to add a sound. we can add any sound we want. Now, let's check whether it works or not. Oh, see, but the score is 0. When I click on this cat sprite, my score increases. See, sound is coming, but my score is not increasing. My score will increase whenever I click on the cat sprite. Okay, now I want my starfish to say something. So I will just click on this looks block and I will drag this command. Here I will write, hi, I am a starfish. Okay, let's check whether it works. Yay! But my score is still 0, so I have to click on this cat. Where is my cat? See. Oh. Uh-oh, where is my cat? Now I want to click on the starfish. See, the starfish is showing I am a starfish. Okay, now I want to add a code for my pufferfish also. That whenever I click on this pufferfish, the pufferfish should say, hi, I am a pufferfish. And a sound also, and we also want to add a sound in it. So I will just click on this event block and I will drag this when this sprite clicked. Now, after that, we want our sprite to say something. Like we can add, hi, I am a pufferfish. Let's check. Uh-oh, where's my pufferfish? See, my pufferfish is saying, hi, I am a pufferfish. So, and I also want to add sound in this. So I will just click on this sound block and I will drag this. Okay, let's check whether it works or not. Uh-oh, where's my pufferfish? Ooh. Okay, well now let's click on the C. My score increases. Let's zoom it and then we will see when we will play a game. See, my score increases. See, my score doesn't increase. Where's my pufferfish? See, here I want to just click on this cat. Oh, where's my cat? I missed again. Oh, I clicked. Finally. No, where's my cat? See, my score increases every time I click on this cat. Oh, I'm a starfish. Again, I'm a starfish. I'm a pufferfish. Oops, I'm a starfish. Okay, so this is how we created this game. Now, third is costume switching. So, third stop is the costume switching. I used to participate in fancy dress competition in my school. I used to wear different costumes every time, like lion, rabbit, rat, etc. as shown in this picture. So, and when I become a lion, then I come first in my fancy dress competition. So, costume is the alternate appearance of a sprite. So, Chhota Bheem. In my free time, I love to watch Chhota Bheem. Bheem, who plays the central role in the story, is an adventurous and fun-loving boy who is gifted with extraordinary superhuman strength. And this is my favorite character, Jaggu. Jaggu is a talking monkey. Jaggu has his own special way of solving problems using tricks and his amazing sense of humor. Jaggu and Bhim always have fun together. From him, Bhim learns useful techniques like swing from trees. Whenever they are really hungry, it's Jaggu who assists by stealing laddus. So this is Jaggu Bandar. As he makes many funny faces, so I like Jaggu Bandar. Now our fourth stop is Jaggu Bandar Mast Kalander. Let's start. So I will just click on this and let's start with our project of Jaggu Bandar. So for this, I need a one sprite and let's give the name to the sprite. Let's select a sprite, monkey. Okay, and I don't want this cat sprite, so I will just click on this sprite one and I will click on this trash button to delete that sprite. To reduce the size of my monkey, so I will just select here 50. Okay, now what I want my Jaggu monkey or Jaggu bandar to dance on music. Okay, so let's select one background for my Jaggu bandar. So I will just click here on music and let's select the spotlight for this Jaggu bandar. Okay, here my Jaggu bandar will dance on my music. For that music, I have to add extension. So I will just click here and add music. Okay, so what I want my Jaggu bandar to dance. So I will click on the event block because I want when green flag click, then only my program will start. So I will just click on this event block and drag this one when green flag clicked. So when green flag clicked, I want my Jaggu bandar to dance. So first of all, let's see about the costumes. I will just click here costumes. You can see when I click on the costume B, see when I click this continuously, the monkey is looking like that monkey is dancing. See? So here we will use next costume, like the costume will changes automatically. Okay, we want my costume to change continuously. So I will use next costume for this. So costume is nothing but an alternate appearance of a sprite. Now I will just click on this code and I want my costume to change continuously. So I will just click on this control block. On your left hand side, this orange one, I will just drag this forever block from the control and I want to choose next costume. I will just click on this looks block, this purple circle, and I will select next costume. Okay, now what I want, now let's press green flag. See our Jaggu bandar, what Jaggu bandar is doing, but we want our Jaggu bandar to move, right? It's not looking like that Jaggu bandar is dancing. Okay, so let's press the stop button and make our Jaggu bandar to move. And now I want to play some music for my Jaggu bandar. So I will click here and we can select any music we like from this library. Now, again, I will click on this motion block and put my Jaggu bandar in the same position where my Jaggu bandar is. Now again, I want to play a music. So I will click on this music and I will select, we can select any music. So I will select this. Now let's play. See, my Jaggu bandar is dancing. Now what I want my Jaggu Bandar to change its color also. So I will just go to looks block and I will drag this change color effect by 25. Let's see. Yay! My Jaggu Bandar is also changing its color. Now what I want more monkeys. So what I will do, I will duplicate it. I will just click here and select duplicate. Now again I will press right click and duplicate. We can select as many monkeys as we want. So I want 4 monkeys. So I have selected 4 monkeys. Now we can arrange these 4 monkeys like this. Now let's check. All 4 monkeys are dancing. So if I duplicate a sprite, then the code will also duplicate it. Like here, I have created this code, and when I duplicate it to monkey 2, then the code is automatically duplicated, or you can say the code is already automatically copied. Let's play this again. All 4 monkeys are dancing. Yeah, now I want to add some lights in the background. Okay, now I will just click on this backdrop and I will click on this backdrops and I want to add some light. Now I will just go to event block on the left hand side, this yellow circle, I will just click here and I will drag when green flag clicked. Then when green flag clicked, I want the lights. Okay, so I will just click on this control block and drag this forever. Because whenever I press this green flag, my background should change automatically. Now I will just click on this looks block and drag the change color. Now let's see what happened. Working and our Jaggu Bandar is also dancing with music. Yay! So we have seen here that our Jaggu Bandar is dancing on the music whenever we press our music. Okay. Now, let's see the concept of gliding. We went to hill station during winters. There was a heavy snowfall. One day, there we enjoyed a lot. We made snowballs and throw on each other. We did snow gliding also. So we enjoyed a lot in that snow. Now what I want to create a project in which we will do our Jaggu Bandar to glide. Let's try to glide our Jaggu Bandar. I will just click on this link. And I want my Jaggu Bandar to glide. So I will just click here. Background and I will go to backdrops. Now what I want to put here some rope. So we can select any color, whatever color we want. Okay, so which color should we select? Let's select this. No. Well, let's select this red color. Okay, let's create a rectangle, or you can say row here. Now here I want my Jaggu Bandar to dance. Okay, now I will go to code and I will click here on sprite and I will select here monkey, my Jaggu Bandar. And now I want to reduce the size of my Jaggu Bandar, so I will reduce the size to 50. Now I put my Jaggu Bandar here. Now what I want my Jaggu Bandar to move on this rope. Okay, so I want my Jaggu Bandar to glide here, from here to here. Okay, so first of all, what we require whenever the green flag clicked, so we will go here on the event block. There's circle with yellow color. I will just click here and I will drag here that when green flag clicked. Then I want my Jaggu Bandar to move on this rope while dancing. So what I will do, I will click on the control block because I want my Jaggu Bandar to move continuously on this rope. So I will just drag here this forever block. Now I want my Jaggu Bandar to dance. So I will go to looks block, this purple color circle, and I will drag next costume. Yes, because whenever we want our monkey or any sprite to dance, then we will go to costumes and we can see when we click this costume continuously, they look like they are dancing. Okay, so I will just select the next costume so that my costumes can change automatically. Now what I want my sprite to glide. So what I will do, I will click on this motion block and first of all, let's select the position. When my sprite is here, we want our sprite to glide till here. Okay, let's find out the coordinates. So I will I will put my monkey here and I will make it to glide to this position. So here my XY position changes. So X means left to right and Y means top to bottom. So whenever I want to select the coordinates, I will just move my sprite here. Like if I want my Jaggu Bandar to move till here, then the XY coordinates changes. But I want my Jaggu Bandar to move till here. So here the XY coordinates appear and we can select the XY coordinates accordingly. So I have selected this and let's change the time. That is 2 seconds. So I will just click here and let's see. See, my Jaggu Bandar is walking while dancing. Let's try this again. See? But now what I want my Jaggu Bandar to go again here. So from here, we want to select the XY coordinates. So I will just put my Jaggu Bandar here and find my XY coordinates. So here we have selected that XY coordinates. So I will just click here and drag this command. Now we can change this to whatever seconds we want. Let's check. See, our Jaggu Bandar is dancing on a rope. So we can also reduce the second, like we can also write here 3 seconds. If we want to make a 3-second pause, then we can do like this also. Jaggu Bandar is dancing and walking on a rope. And we have selected the 4 monkeys. Okay, so 4 monkeys are here dancing. And the background is also changing their lights. And my monkey is dancing. See again. See here, my Jaggu Bandar is also gliding. So, this is about the Jaggu Bandar. We have created the project in which my Jaggu Bandar is dancing and moving on a rope. Now, in this session, we have learned about the hide and show concept. In the hide and show concept, we have learned that whenever our sprite is clicked, then whenever we click on that cat sprite, our sprite should, then the score should increase, right? We have created this thing. So in hide and show game, we have created that whenever I click on my sprite, then my score should increase. Whenever I am clicking on the other sprites, my score should remain same. So in that, we have taken the 3 sprites, cat and fishes, right? So whenever we click on that cat, then our score increases. So in the first thing, we have learned about the hide and show concept, that when we click on the hide, our sprite hides. And whenever I click on that show, then our sprite is visible to us. The second one is hide and show game, in which whenever I click on my sprite, then my score increases. Okay. And third, we think we have learned about the costumes. Whenever costumes is nothing, but it is the alternate appearance of a sprite. So we have changed that costumes using that next costume, and it looked like that we have changed that our sprite is dancing with the help of next costumes. And lastly, we have made a Jaggu Bandar Mast Kalander. In this, we have created a project in which our Jaggu Bandar is dancing on the music, and we also have seen the concept of the gliding, in which our Jaggu Bandar is gliding. So if you have any queries, you can contact Tinkerly. The mail ID is contact@tinkerly.com. So thank you. This is Barbie signing off for a day. Stay tuned at Tinkerly's YouTube channel.
Hello, I am back again. Thanks for watching Tinkerly TV. Subscribe us. Contact to below site for more details and queries. Hello, I am back again. Thanks for watching Tinkerly TV. Subscribe us. Contact to below site for more details and queries. Hello, I am back again. Thanks for watching Tinkerly TV. Subscribe us. Contact to below site for more details and queries.